Hello. So as we all know, Business 2021 release wave 2 is about to be released, and Microsoft have already published what's coming new in the product, and the preview versions are already out. So in this video series, we'll go through each change every day. So it'll take less time of yours, and you'll be able to understand what's coming new in the product. Today what we are going to talk about is one of the features which I have customized in NAV and for Business Central for so many customers, which is having a default line type in sales and purchase document. So now let's just go open my Business Central environment, which is here. So sales and purchase document can contain different type of lines, like a GL line, a comment line, an item line, or a resource line, or a fixed asset line. Now, in this release, which is 2021 Wave 2, Microsoft is providing an option on sales and purchase setups to define what is your default type. And based on that, the default type on whenever you try to add a new line will be set to that. So let's quickly check that. So if you navigate to sales and receivable setup, you'll see on the general tab there's a new option called default document default line type, and you can set it up whatever your customer needs. So let's say item. After that, if a customer goes and creates a new sales order or a sales document, the line type for the first line will be set by default as item, and they don't need to change it when they are creating it automatically sets it for the item. And if they have to change it, they can go ahead and change it. Now let's understand what was in the default. So we haven't changed the purchase menu. So let's go into the purchase orders. And when we create a new order, you'll see the default line here is comment by default. Now you can also go into purchase and payable setup, and in the purchase payable setup in the journal tab, you can also choose what kind of line should be default. Let's say GL account in this case. Now if you create a new purchase order, you'll see the default line is set as GL account. Now if you are coming from NAV, you might have done this custom in the past for your customers, and this is small but useful change may eliminate your mod from your customer database. So try using it. Let me know how you find this feature in comments to this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another feature. Thank you.